This is the Victorinox Fisherman. These have been around for quite a while now. It's probably changed a few times over the years. The Fisherman is easily identifiable with its fish emblem on the Celador scale. Let's check it out and see what it has to offer. It's got the usual large blade, which is found in lots of Victorinox knives, and the smaller blade as well. Very handy. Scissor, great tool. It's a fish scaler with a rule. It's a can opener with the small flathead. It's the flathead screwdriver, cap remover and wire stripper. Phillips screwdriver. The infamous or famous hook, whatever it's for, I don't know. Awl, reamer in the sewing eye. Tweezer, which belongs inside the scale. And the toothpick, which is also in the scale. So yeah, that's the Fisherman. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.